Hello guys and welcome back to another David Cabal episode. And today we are gonna try to apparently install a Windows 7 in the late 2025. Windows 7. You've I've already have these Windows 7 64-bit and like Home Premium. But today I'm gonna try to install the Ultimate Edition. So let us install now.
Here's three instruments that can.
Yeah, I don't care about this. So here is the one. So let's search up ISO Windows 7 Windows 7 Ultimate. Yeah, I like the 64-bit edition. Okay. Portuguese Brazil. No. Yes, the English edition. Like, I just want to install it for free. Not the Portuguese edition. Pre-activated, okay. I couldn't find like good download things, like good download parts of it, so I'm just gonna do the professional. The professional edition. Let's search. Internet Archive. Yeah, I found it, so let's go to ISO image. Show. So these are all of the files. What we're looking for is these two files over here. Is these two files which are 2.4 gigs and 3.1 gigs. I'm gonna choose the x64 edition one because this is the one that I like the most. Yeah, save. And now we're gonna wait for this to download a bit. So, yeah. I also installed VirtualBox 7. Like I tried installing Windows 7. Yeah, it was successful, but I just want to share you guys with it. So, let's wait. Okay, we're back. So the ISO has finally downloaded over here after like about 10 minutes has been downloading. So let us go. So new. So let's I'm at Oracle VirtualBox 7. Let's call this Windows 7 64. Wait, Pro 64-bit edition. Yeah, that's what it's gonna call. It's like large, but hey, it's fine. So ISO image. Let us go to other, so we can add this one, or it's actually this one over here. Not I'm trying to install the professional, not the home premium. OS, yeah. Okay. This one set up unattended a guest OS installation. Username Nick. Yeah, I'm gonna call it. And password. It's gonna be really secret. Hold on. Or no. So yeah, we got the password. Product key. You don't need a product key. Host name, Nick. Wait, host name Nick's OS. Nick's OS. Oh, you can't put the symbols or spaces, so I'm just gonna call it Nick's without the stuff. Domain name. I don't care about domain name. I just, yeah. Guest editions, no. Now, specify virtual hardware. I did like multiple like OSs, like you see the two up the top left. Well, I figured out the best hardware specifications, whatever you called it. I like to put it 4 megabytes of RAM of memory, free 3 processors, and I'm not gonna use EFI. 32 gigs of storage. Yeah, I don't care. Normal. No. We also got this. We got a HDD. But for now, we're just gonna do VirtualBox disk image, which is basically the default. So finish. Okay, so now that we have finished this, let me change the bit. Oh shoot, no. Close. Yeah, no, power off. Okay. I'm trying to change this so it's better. So 64 gigs. Yeah, we're doing SVGA. And we don't care about recording because I'm already recording this. And that's all. Let us start the simulation. Powering up. Okay, so I'm gonna go view and then a scaled mode and switch. And then I'm gonna go full screen and just close this menu. So here we go. We are finally starting Windows. Mouse integration, yeah. Okay, we're in. Setup is starting. So the reason why it's squash is because this is the default resolution. I didn't put any. There's no I didn't put any custom graphics cards here. This is the default. This is the default graphics card. It includes in the VirtualBox. Collecting information, we already got it. Installing Windows. The collecting information number 1 is the one that we did. I put my name, my password, and stuff like that. So now we are finally installing Windows 7 Professional. After all the setup and downloading. So this is just gonna take a few minutes. I'm gonna catch you up when it's nearly done installing. So see you. Okay, so it is finally completing the installation. It's doing stuff. So yeah. That's all the information we need right now. Your computer will restart several times. Probably only one time during this. So yeah, it's going on. Completing installation. Yeah, it's gonna take it's gonna take any minute now. That's all the information we need right now. Your computer will restart several times during installation. I've been waiting for minutes now. And still oh. After restarting your computer. Oh, finally it's gonna restart. Good. VirtualBox. Select boot device. I'm very skeptical about that. Look at this animation. Ooh. Starting Windows. Oh. So it's preparing for your first computer use. Setup is checking video performance. Video performance, yeah, I don't care. This is the default. We may change around these stuff after we download the thing. Also, it's near Christmas. Now here's a very acceptable thing about this. It says Home Basic even though I downloaded the Professional Edition. I may change that soon. I did it with different versions, but it still says Home Basic. Cool. Sounds. Oh yeah, my favorite. Sounds. I love how the icon changes. The icon changes. Look at this. It just goes boom, boom, boom. Wait, does it change it too? Oh yeah, it does change. But this one's made more fun. Also shows that little thing, but that it was removed years ago. So yeah, this is I want to show you this. This is cool. Now I just want to restart this. shutting down. Yeah, it's restarting. It's not shutting down. I want to. Okay. Okay, perfect. So, VirtualBox temporary boost device selection. Hard disk. CD-ROM, LAN, floppy, hard disk. I don't see the disk thing. This is the third time I tried to do it, but still it just says home basic. Like, let's look. I literally forgot the chime is so good. Sorry for guys for cutting out the section. It was really good. Like, let's look at the issues now. So let's look at this. The issue you're experiencing where Windows 7 appears to be default basics of is likely due how the installation media was created or the system's firmware-based licensing. Remember, so I did not put a license key because I don't know where to find good license key, and I don't care about license keys. So OEM 3.0 is tied to a lower. Yeah, I don't care about license product keys. Yeah, you modify and remove the. Modifying the installation media. You can remove ei.config from sources folder. I'm not using USB or DVD. I'm using ISO. And also the squash because this is the original resolution. So you can see from here, it is not really full screen, but it's 800 by 600. You can see that it looks good. It has like, yeah, it looks good from like outside. Like it's not squashed or anything, but if you full screen it, it looks a bit more pixelated and squished. Yeah, that's the thing I was talking about. Windows anytime upgrade. The edition, yeah. Yeah, definitely. Windows anytime upgrade. World icon. Come on. The reason why I chose free processors is because when I do like one or another, I chose free processors instead of one and two because the sound quality is gonna be like bad and it's just gonna glitch out the audio. That's why I chose free processors. Another thing the problem is Windows anytime upgrade cannot like website cannot open the web page. That's another problem I've been experiencing. Also, we got WordPad, which is basically early Microsoft Word. All programs. So here's all of my programs. Games, Manatees. Backup and restore. Windows Remote Assistance. Windows Remote Assistance? Wait, so I don't remember this being here. Hold on. Windows 7. Windows. Windows Remote Assistant. Gosh, Remote Assistance. Windows. Wait, is it? Oh, Remote Assistant is also in Home Basic. Oh, okay. So that's Manatee's startup. Startup empty. I know a bit about the startup the folder. Is when you start it up, it will open like a certain. It will open up stuff when you start it up. So that is what it is. And we got accessories. Oh, games. These are all the games. And then we got accessories. aka the remote desktop connection. I don't remember this being over here. We gotta run like Windows Explorer, ease access, on-screen keyboard magnifier, system tools. Yeah, there's a lot of apps. PowerShell. Yeah, that's PowerShell. I want to see if remote desktop connection. Remote desktop connection. Wait, Home Basic does not support incoming desktop connections. Wait, so does this mean that it's actually computer? Oh. I don't really know about this. Yeah, we got that over here. So these are basically all of the stuff. Let's try some stuff. Let's do sound recorder. Check, check, check. I'm a little teapot. Okay. I put like an interesting file, interesting words. I'm just gonna call it, I don't know, whatever. Yeah. Okay, good. And then we can listen to the documents, whatever. Windows Media Player, recommended settings. Where's the audio? Like, is it connected? Probably it's not connected to my mic. Yeah, let's delete it. Yeah. And then recycle the bin. So that is the recorder, the sound recorder. Let's do calculator. This is the old calculator. The old-fashioned one. Wow. What else we got? Notepad. Oh, of course, Notepad. Don't save. Run, of course we know run. WordPad. Let's look at WordPad. Okay, okay, that's a big URI. Let's just gonna call it Shanshan. You can just do. You can change the size 21. Like we can change the font. Let's do Candaria. Middle. Let's change Hanson. You can insert pictures, sample pictures. Like let's look at this flower. It's a long. Wow, it's big. That's large. Wow, that's a nice flower. Yeah, yeah, it doesn't support that. What else? We can look. Let's look. No. Or paint drawing. Ah, you can like literally paint like a wow. Yeah. Cool. It includes your painting, date and time. Let's do It says it has like this format on my PC. Let's just do this one with the shortened year, and just add it here. Insert object. I can't really insert object because I don't know how to do that a lot. Paragraphs. Let's do mama 2, mama 1, and then a 9. Line spacing 1.50. Right. Okay. pleasure. Wow. Of making this game. Cool. Yeah, we're already 20 minutes into this video, so I'm just gonna end it soon. Yeah, don't save. We're just testing it out stuff. Windows update. Automatic update. Check for updates. What? What does it? Before a Windows update can check, you must first configure Windows updates. You have to configure the updates. That's absolute. I don't know why they have to do that. Also, for no reason, it says that it is 224 right now, even though it's 324. It is either me setting the wrong time in my actual computer, or this OS is running the wrong time. What else? We got of course, Windows Explorer. Oh, this one? Yeah, that's. Let's look at like the last of the few final things. Let's look at Internet Explorer. Welcome to Internet Explorer 8. This is the original. Next. No, don't turn off. Express settings. So the problem is it doesn't really can't show the sides. It's either because of my if my connection is absolute dog water, or something else. This one's like the URL. This is the Internet Explorer. Let's search up YouTube. Protected mode. I want to turn protected mode off. Yeah, I don't care. Okay. And we reload. Oh my gosh, it's taking long. It's taking so long. Yeah, okay, now it's off. It's required for some websites. So let's do Facebook. Yeah, autocomplete. I want to turn it on. Actually, yeah, it does open up Bing. Yeah, it doesn't show the pictures for no reason. But look at that. We are actually error on page. So, actually, Internet Explorer actually works. Like, oh yeah, this is Bing. But let's look at Facebook. See, Internet Explorer cannot display web pages. More information. DNS stuff. Yeah. Yeah, it's really. Oh yeah, close these. And also, since has really this is a really small desktop. Of course, it is not gonna do good because it's not gonna fit all the text. Let's try to change this. Look at that, 800 by 600. Let's look at this. Keep changes. And look at that, it's a bit bigger and not that bloated. Cannot display web page, of course. Yeah, I think that's a big enough. I think that is a big enough. Let's look at games. Yeah, use recommended settings. Spider Solitaire. Everyone. Slow game performance. Okay. Oh yeah. What's this? This is basically Spider Solitaire. I know how to play this game. You try to match up all the suits by order. Oh gosh. Yeah, it's kind of laggy. It's either because of memory or my CPU. It's either my CPU or memory. Let's do task manager. Yeah. Processes, performance. And this one is gonna be over here. No, you cannot. So here's my CPU usage. Let's just keep playing and see what happens. My CPU usage is going up. See, that's why I put 4 megabytes, because it's 4 gigabytes instead of like, I don't like 16. That's way too high, but look at that, it's pretty low. And it's not really doing that much. It's lagging, I don't know why. But hey, it still works. I'm gonna play a bit more of this game. It's only pretty good. And yeah, oh. Okay, that's lucky. Q, king. Oh yeah, I can put this here. Yeah, this is a pretty cool game. 9. Jack in the beanstalk, Jack in the beanstalk, Jack in the beanstalk. Invalid move. And I can put this here. Wow. Wow. Yeah. And if you get a full deck, it'll pile up over here, and it just plays this like angelic sound effect. Without MP3. Yeah. Oh yeah. Man, this is a pretty good game. Man, this is outstanding right now. Oh, I forgot. It goes down here. I need a 7. Hey, I forgot. I can I need a 2 and a 1. Yeah, 2 here. Yeah. If you're watching over here, that's really good if you have like a lot of patience. Because I've been playing this game for a lot now. Oh, I'm lucky. It's either I did a really good shuffle or it's something else. Can you move stuff here? Oh yeah, you can. Let's put this. Gosh. Man, it's lagging. I don't know why. King. And still I didn't place another one of those like big pile cards. Oh hey, I can place this 2 and an ace. Yeah! I mean, that's a really good play. Jack. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, it's lagging again. And plus my CPU usage is just not that high. That's pretty weird. Oh hey, I forgot I can just move freely over that. I can move it here or here. Okay, I need a queen, so I need a queen to put it here, and yeah. Looking if I have any other moves. I'll just... Okay. Say so. I'm just gonna move this over here. 7. Nine. No, he still can't. It's 41 minutes. Man. So yeah, this is like really honest review on the Windows 7 operating system. It's really classic, and it's also really cool. You can hold down. You can go. This is like a really nice taskbar. It has like lots of other stuff and sample images things too. I need to find this one. Oh, that's cute. Yes! Okay, we're getting really good. Okay. That's nice. Oh man. Hey, I'm on a roll now. Gosh. Okay, now I'm stuck again. I need a 5. But the problem is, I'm just gonna... That's a J. That's a 5. Oh, yeah. 4. 3. Maybe 10. No. Now that's a problem. Okay. Now we're on a roll. Oh, I forgot. And then an ace over here. 4th deck completed. Man, okay, we're on a roll. Definitely on a roll now. Okay. Ace. J. Oh my gosh, I'm going really well now. Eight, 4, 35 minutes into this video. 35 minutes. And I'm just still playing this, wondering what can I do in this game? I'm a boomer. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. Again, the lag spikes are in this. Is either the virtual machine or I have a bad thing or whatever. 6. But now here's the problem. Or 4, 3. But I don't have the 10. That's the problem. Oh, hey, I'm a genius. I'm a gentleman. Oh, yeah. Okay, 10. And then we can put this over here. 5th set completed. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Another one completed. Okay. Okay. 5. And then we put an ace. Oh, forgot I need a jack in the beanstalk. I have like 4 empty spaces. That means you know I'm gonna win. 2 ace. 7th set completed. All we need to do is just sort out the last stuff. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, an ace. Perfect! 100% win percentage. I played 1 game and won 1 game. 143 moves, 1,167 score. Okay, that's a really good game. Exit. So that is one of the games of this of Windows 7. But there's a lot more that there is. Like, there's Purple Plays, there's Minesweeper. Yeah, I really want to play Minesweeper. Yeah, beginner. I know how to play Minesweeper. Wow. Oh, look at that! I beat that game in 30 seconds. One game won, one game played. Okay, that is really good. So these are all the stuff I just want to show you about Windows 7. So thanks for watching for David Cabal for this very long video. And see you in the next video. So bye bye.